Let us discuss some problems on cubes and cube roots. Now we are going to discuss the exercise 7.1. The first problem, which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? First number is 216, second number 128, third one 1000, fourth one 100, fifth one 46,656. The first question, first we can take the 216, do the prime factorization. 2 ones are, here 1 is not going, 2 zeros are 0, 2 threes are 6. Next, here 2 eights are 16, yes correct. 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 eights are 16. Next, 2 table. 2 fives are 10, 2 fours are 8. Next, even number 2 table. 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14. 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9. So 216 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. The two numbers are in triplet. It is equal to 2 into 3 whole cube. It can be written as 6 cube. Therefore, 216 is a perfect cube. It is a perfect cube. Okay. Second one, 128. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 1 reminder, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 18, 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4. So 128 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here 3 in one triplet, 3 in one triplet, 1 is remaining. So it is 2 into 2 whole cube into 2. It is not a perfect cube. Why? Because 2 is in not in triplet. Okay. Third one, 1000. We can write it as 10 cube. It is a perfect cube. If you want to do the prime factorization, means we can write it as 10 hundreds, 10 tens. If number of zeros are odd are there in the number, then it must be a perfect cube. Fourth one, 100. 10 tens are 100. So from this, 100 is equal to 10 square, which is not a 100 is not a perfect cube. Next, fifth problem, 46,656. Do the prime factorization. Here, take 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, 1 is a reminder, 2 eights are 16. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10, 2 eights are 16, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4, 2 nines are 18, 2 ones are 2, 2 sixes are 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 eights are 16. 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4, 2 nines are 18. 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are 12, 3 threes are 9. 3 eights are 24, 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6, 3 sevens are 21. 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9. So 46,656 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 twos. 2 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many threes? Threes are also 6. Into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 are in triplets. So it is a perfect. Therefore, 46,656 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 whole cube. 2, 3, 6, 6 is 36 cube. Therefore, it is a perfect cube. Second problem. Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied to obtain the perfect cube. The first one is 243, second one 256, third 72, fourth 675, fifth 100. First we can do the prime factorization. 2 is not coming, 3 table, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 27s are 81, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are. So 243 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 is in one triplet, one more pair is not in triplet, that is 3 into 3. We need one more 3. Left and right multiply with 3. So in this, the smallest multiplied number, in this, the smallest multiplied number is 3. So we should multiply left side and right side with 3. Then it is make into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 1 is carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 729 equal to 3 into 3 whole cube. It is equal to 9 cube. This is the answer. For the second problem, 256. Then again do the prime factorization. 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 2 2s are. Here 256 can be written as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 2 into 2 into 2, it is one triplet, into 2 into 2 into 2, it is another second triplet, into 2 into 2. We need one more 2 for the making the triplet. So here the smallest number is, the smallest multiplied number is number is 2. So both sides we multiply with 2, it makes 256 into 2 equal to 2 into 2 whole cube into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 6 are 12, 1, 2 5 are 10, 11, 1, 2 2 are 4, 5. 5 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 whole cube. It is equal to 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8 cube. So which is a perfect cube when we can multiply with the smallest number is 2. Next second problem is, third one is 72. Third one is 72. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 18s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. So 72 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Here 2 is in triplet but 3 is not in triplet. So here 3 is the smallest multiplied number. both sides multiplying with the 3. Then 72 into 3 equal to 2 cube into 3 into 3 into 3. It's a make into triplet. 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are 21. 216 equal to 2 into 3 whole cube. It is equal to 6 cube. Okay. Next, fourth one. 675. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 fives are 25. 5 twos are 10, 5 sevens are 35. 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9. So 675 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is in triplet but 5 is not. So 5 is the smallest multiple. Smallest multiple to make into perfect cube. So 5 into 675 equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is equal to 5 into 3 whole cube equal to 15 cube, that is 5 5s are 25 to 35 plus 2 37 3 33. 3375 is equal to 15 cube. The fifth problem is 100. 100 means it is 10 square, 10 into 10. When we need one more 10. So here 10 is the smallest multiple. To make into triplet. So 10 into 100 is 1000 is equal to 10 cube. It is the solution.